please make sure you like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so have you ever wanted to know how you can get this type of head? Well, today I am going to be teaching you just that. But before we get started and get into the video, please make sure you like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Anyway, let's get started. Okay, so basically what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to go to your accessories, and let me just find it real quick. So yeah, okay, so you're going to want to go to face accessories, and what you're going to want to do is you are going to want to search brain for headless. And once you, dang it thing, okay, so I think it's like head, okay, wait, brain for headless. I think you go to the head accessories and search it. Okay, you go to head accessories. Sorry, I got it wrong the first time. But as you can see, I already have the item. It's in my inventory, so yeah. And now what you're going to do is you're going to want to go to buy the Blaze Burner character. And yeah, and this item is only 50 Robux, so yeah. And then, after you're done buying that, you can go over to characters, and then you are going to search Blaze Burner. Okay, Blaze Burner. Okay, so, and then you're going to want to buy this guy right here. He is 250 Robux, which is kind of expensive, but it is worth it if you do want this type of head. Okay, as you can see, I already own the item, and it's nothing too cool, but like, it's just for the head, so yeah. And then once you've bought that, you're going to want to go back to your avatar, and you are going to want to go to head, and what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to equip this item, and I already have it equipped, and I also have my cute little hat. And then you are going to want to go to body, and then click head. And then you should see the Blaze Burner head somewhere here, and then you click it, and then your avatar's head will look like this. And I personally think it was worth it. So let me show you the before and after. So let's just like do that. So as you can see, this is my head before. I have the face on. I have my bangs. I don't have any face. Well, I have a head, but I don't think it looks good. So yeah. Now, once we equip the brain for headless and then the head, the Blaze Burner head, we have the results. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and if so, please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Anyways, I gotta go. Bye!